When the world was running on the desktop, the Microsoft was the one company who were providing the desktop services to all over the world. They were providing the operating systems, they were providing the OS other applications, and due to the worldwide demand and due to their business plan, they were the one company who were providing all these things. And due to such huge and massive demands, they were earning around the world. This was the main reason the Microsoft was the rich company. And you also know that the Bill Gates, who was the CEO of Microsoft, was the rich person of the world. So at that time, I was thinking, who will challenge the services of the Microsoft, because they are working on the every aspect and they are not leaving any black hole. Then the Google, the Android introduced, and when the Android introduced, they started giving service to the whole world. The people started using mobile phones, Android phones, smartphones, instead of using the desktop or laptops. And due to the massive demands of the Android and Android applications, Google became the top company of the world. They were providing every services related to the mobile devices and desktop to all over the world. And due to that, the Google was controlling the world. This was the famous company around the world. Observing the Google services, I was thinking that who will challenge the Google services, because they were covering, they were researching, they were developing in every field. And then suddenly OpenAI introduced, the ChatGPT introduced. And when the OpenAI, the ChatGPT introduced, they cover up all the limitation, all the gaps of the Google, as the Google filled the Microsoft limitations. I was wonder the capabilities, the applications, the functionalities of the OpenAI. Though the Google is introducing, they have also introduced their ChatGPT, likely some application. I think it is a bad, but I don't think they can cover this limitation now, because the ChatGPT, the OpenAI, has covered all the world. They have starting giving services around the world. The Microsoft is also getting the ChatGPT, the OpenAI services for their applications, such like the Microsoft Word and their Microsoft Explorer. So how much you progress, how much you can go to the peak, once you come down from this peak also.